What a do, party people, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can do the viral polka dot nail trend using items you already have at home, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can use these items, a bobby pin, a pencil, a pen, and a toothpick to get those viral polka dot nail designs. And these are the designs in question, okay? So stick around and find out. All right, first tools first, you're gonna want a bobby pin, okay? And this one has rounded bulbs on each side. You don't want one of these, no, because it doesn't have the bulbs, it's flat, so it's not gonna give you a good dotting tool. You want one of these, okay? I'm just gonna put the polish that I want on my aluminum foil here. So I'm going with this darker purple, and this is just like my palette, so I can dip my polish in. So let me get a good clump there that I want. So I'm gonna start with my bobby pin, and I'm gonna open up this slightly, like so. Oh, so I'm gonna open up this slightly, and I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna use this end because I like the straight, it's very easy. So what I do is just grab this, dab a bit, big circle, dab a lot, small circle, dab a little bit less. Grab my nail here, it's already pre-painted. And so here we go. And you just lightly touch the nail. Look at that, see? Perfect circle. And you can see, if I want more, I can do a big glob. Get a big glob, and on the sides here, I can do big dots. See? Big, and I can even drop and color a bit. And that's how you're gonna get big dots versus small dots. The bobby pin is actually very easy. It's one of my favorites. Like that, just like that. Okay, next item that you can use to do polka dots is a pencil. And make sure your pencil is dull, not too sharp, because if it's sharp, you might get some lead in the polish and then it looks kind of gloopy. Got my aluminum foil polish. So I'm just doing a light amount of polish. And then same thing here, going in. Look at that. Beautiful. You can see as I get less polish on my pencil, the dot is smaller. So again, I dip more, can match it, just like that. Similar to the bobby pin, the more polish you dip on the pencil, the bigger your dot will be. So look at that, see? Big dots with the pencil. Like just like this. I want a little bit more. Perfect. Look at that. Just like that. And all you need is a pencil. Super easy. Okay, the next dotting tool, which is one of my favorites, is a toothpick. Okay, a toothpick is so good for nail art. And it does dots, but honestly you could draw with a toothpick as well. So if I grab this, check this out, okay? I'm gonna dip a heavy amount of polish into the toothpick. And then I'm gonna do a big dot. Look at that. Again, another big dot. Just like that. Do them really close. You know what you can do with this toothpick? You can make a little heart by pulling that down. See how easy that is? All you need is toothpick, and I just color in these lines, make it straight, and there you have it. A cute little heart. And if you want to make the point tippy, just grab the other thing, pull it down, and there you go have it. All you need was a toothpick. Come in here, dip a little more, and you got, look at that. Tiny little dots. I love the tiny ones. They're so cute. But as you saw with the heart, you can make it big. And look, you just have a whole nail design just with a toothpick. You can do so much with this thing. I love it. Just do another one over here. All with a toothpick. See? Beautiful. Toothpick's one of my favorites. Okay, last but not least, the final tool, and my favorite, is a brand new pen. because the brand new pens have that little protection cover on it, which literally makes it the perfect dotting tool. Like if you buy a dotting tool, it looks exactly like this, okay? Beautiful. And also I love a fresh new pen, so that's why it's my favorite. But same thing here, you dip it in, and this one you have more control, I find, because it literally is an exact dotter. So I can go in, look at that, that's such a perfect dot. I can go in and make a little, look at that. Like, you're saying that's not that easy, and all you need is a freaking pen. Go in. Like, I just made a flower, just like that. Perfect. Look, I just made a flower. It was that easy. Okay, so those are the 4, and I literally compare this, this, and this, okay? They're all honestly great options. This was the bobby pin. This one was the pencil. This one was the little toothpick with the cute little heart. And this one was the pen, the brand new pen. So look, you don't need to buy anything fancy. Just pick up things you have at home, whether it be a bobby pin, whether it be a pencil, whether it be a brand new pen, my favorite. But look, you can do a dotting manicure yourself at home. No need to get a dotter. No need to buy anything expensive. You got it at home. Boom, just like that. Easy peasy. Try it out. Let me know how it works. You're welcome.